Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Monday the 30th of July. And the market's basically opened up in line today, moved down a little, moved up a little, and then started to chop around a little bit. And we did get long in this area here. We did get stopped out, but then we went long again, and we were able to ride that up a little bit, making some decent profit. That was our break even 50% win-loss ratio for the day. The maximum profit potential that we were working inside was 5.5 points or 22 ticks, and actual entries and exits we made 3.25 points or 13 ticks. So you see, we did do pretty well on the day, all in all. And then after the market came up, we got out, and then it did come up a little more, only to find a top and then sell off from there. So definitely a interesting day, all in all. We do have FOMC coming up on Wednesday, so it should be add to the interesting market that we have this week. With that said, I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out the website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we focus on the ES, which is my favorite market to trade. It's some people like it, some people don't. It is what it is, but it's my favorite, and that's why I focus on it through the website. And I do sprinkle in some option trades here and there just to keep it interesting, and to add a different aspect to it. Usually it's commodities or the spiders that we trade, and I think it's a lot of fun. The member feedback, they really do enjoy the option trades. A couple people don't trade options, so it doesn't really matter to them, but a lot of people do enjoy it, which is pretty cool. I started doing it and everybody liked it, and it just caught on, so I added it to the ES trades, because we can't make trades all the time. We can't be in a trade all the time with the ES, just because maybe a trade isn't setting up, or maybe the market's just not conducive to trading, or a couple different factors. But we can't always be in a trade, and I am not always in a trade. A lot of times I don't trade. I spend time not trading, and I was trying to do something so people won't get bored to death on the website, or in the trading room. I mean, so it's definitely been pretty cool. It's been a lot of fun. So it is what it is. But if you check out the website, if you go to the right hand side, there's a getting started page. A lot of good information there. I do have all my daily recaps set up on the left side of the menu there, and I also have a contact form if you have any questions. A lot of great questions have been coming in, which is definitely pretty awesome. It shows that people are actually watching these videos, and they enjoy it enough to actually ask a question, or ask a question on an article, or whatever the case may be. A lot of people that do read or watch any of my content, they like to email me questions rather than posting questions, and that's fine. It really doesn't matter if anyone else sees your question, or anything like that. You ask the question, and like I always say, there's no such thing as a dumb question. If you don't know, ask. I was once a new trader. I was once a bad trader, and I had questions that I asked, and of course, a lot of people were like, try to, I guess, blow me off in a way, and some of those people didn't know anything. They act like they did, and it's definitely, I guess, a little convoluted in that area. But I encourage you to ask questions, and definitely have been getting some good ones. Uh, and not to make the video too long tonight, let me go ahead and pull up the news for tomorrow. Plus, I'm pretty tired, so let's get straight into that. And 8:30 in the morning, we have our first bit of news: the core PCE price index, and we're looking for 0.2% versus zero point 0.1. Employment cost index, we're looking for 0.5% versus zero point 0.4. Personal spending, we're looking for 0.1% versus flat. And personal income, looking for 0.5% versus zero point 0.2. At 9 o'clock, we have S&P Case-Shiller Composite 20 Housing Price Index year over year, looking for negative 1.5%. Negative 1.9 was the prior. Negative 1.5 is what we're looking for. 9:45, we have Chicago PMI, always a big number, looking for 52.6. Prior reading was 52.9. And 10 o'clock, CB Consumer Confidence, looking for 61.5. Prior reading was 62. And Geithner speaks as the market is closing at 4 o'clock. So that should be interesting there. And then at 9 o'clock, we have Chinese Manufacturing PMI. And that's going to be watched very closely from a lot of people. So we'll be aware of that after the market tomorrow. With that, hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you did, please click the like button. Appreciate that in a big way. Have a great night, and I'll see you in the markets tomorrow. Thank you.